Did you know that consuming honey alongside certain foods could potentially lead to cancer and dementia? Even though honey, sourced from bees, is a natural delight, it's essential to be mindful of its ideal and less than ideal food companions. This video explores the world of honey. We are diving into its rich history, diverse flavors, and impressive health benefits. It debunks common myths about honey and offers tips on maximizing its potential through smart food pairings. Proper consumption of honey is key to reaping its health benefits. However, pairing it with the wrong foods might compromise your well-being. That's why I've crafted this insightful guide. To aid in cancer and dementia prevention, I'll unveil the top 3 unfavorable food combinations with honey, alongside 3 optimal choices. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. If you found the video informative, did you realize there exists a food on our planet that defies spoilage? It's hailed as humanity's earliest gift from nature, so esteemed that ancient Romans dubbed it the dew of the gods fallen from the sky. Today's star of the show, the luscious and nutritious honey. Crafted by bees from the nectar of blossoming plants and enriched with enzymes, honey offers not only sweetness but also a plethora of amino acids, vitamins, minerals such as iron and zinc, and antioxidants. Beyond its role as a natural sweetener, honey boasts anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, renowned for its immune-boosting prowess. Were you aware that there are over 320 varieties of honey globally? The type of honey varies based on the flowers visited by the bees, including acacia, canola, chestnut, and manuka honey, along with wildflower and mixed floral honey. There's also sugar-fed honey, often termed artificial honey. It's awe-inspiring that bees must visit 5,600,000 flowers to produce a single kilogram of honey, highlighting our indebtedness to these industrious creatures. However, did you know that even this benevolent honey can pose risks to health when consumed with specific foods? Let's delve into the 3 least advisable food pairings for cancer and dementia prevention, juxtaposed with 3 superior options for promoting longevity. First and foremost, the least compatible pairing with honey involves soy-based foods like tofu and soy milk. While the perils of refined sugar are widely acknowledged, it's crucial to distinguish between natural honey and its processed counterpart. Unlike refined sugar, honey comprises pre-digested sugars that are readily absorbed by the body. Despite the growing popularity of recipes incorporating honey with soy products for health reasons, caution is warranted. Soy products, notably soy milk, boast a higher protein content than regular milk. The organic acids in honey may interact with soy milk's protein, resulting in the formation of precipitates that are absorbable by the body. Moreover, soy is deemed a cooling food, in stark contrast to honey's warming nature. This incongruity may lead to digestive disturbances when consumed together. Thus, it's prudent to avoid pairing honey with soy-based products like tofu and soy milk. So, what constitutes an ideal honey companion? Look no further than milk. Unlike soy milk, milk harbors a lower protein content, minimizing interactions with honey's organic acids. The synergistic health benefits of milk and honey are remarkable, especially in addressing modern maladies like insomnia. Milk contains tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin, the happiness hormone, which not only alleviates depression, but also facilitates deep sleep by suppressing arousal hormones. Combining milk with honey enhances tryptophan absorption, fostering a sense of contentment and promoting sound sleep. The second unfavorable pairing with honey involves foods rich in tannins, such as black tea, green tea, and unripe persimmons. While tannins exhibit remarkable antioxidant properties, they may hinder iron absorption when consumed alongside honey, thereby compromising nutritional uptake. To preserve honey's therapeutic benefits, it's imperative to prepare honey-based beverages like tea at moderate temperatures, avoiding excessive heat that could degrade its nutrient content. A superior alternative to tannin-rich beverages is cinnamon, which complements honey splendidly, amplifying its anti-inflammatory effects and facilitating blood circulation. Together, honey and cinnamon constitute a potent elixir, capable of alleviating cold extremities, joint discomfort, and even lowering blood sugar levels. The third unfavorable honey pairing involves onions, a combination best avoided due to potential digestive disturbances and adverse effects on eye health. Instead, consider substituting onions with radishes, particularly beneficial during colder seasons for bolstering respiratory health and immune function. The pungent compounds in radishes fortify the throat, while their vitamin C content enhances immunity when paired with honey. Harnessing the combined potency of radishes and honey offers a delicious and efficacious remedy for coughs, phlegm, and immune support. In conclusion, making informed choices regarding honey pairings can safeguard against health risks and maximize nutritional benefits. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. If you found today's insights valuable, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your cherished ones. Wishing you enduring health and happiness.